Blackvue DR590 2-channel 1-channel installation. Test a location before removing the tape's cover. Position the dash cam with a lens in the center. Remove the adhesive tape's cover. Press firmly while holding the dash cam with both hands. Now you can remove the lens protection film. When needed, press the lock button to unmount the camera. The side cover can be opened to reveal the micro SD card slot. Press the micro SD card to pop it out from the slot. On the side of the dashcam, you will find the Mic Format button. With the dashcam powered on, press once to toggle audio recording on and off. Hold to format the micro SD card until hearing the voice confirmation. Rear camera, DR590 2-channel only. Mount the rear camera at the top of the rear window. Pay attention to the orientation of the camera. When you're sure of the location, remove the lens protection film and the adhesive tape's cover. Press the camera against the rear window and hold a few seconds. Installing the power cord. Plug the cable into the DC-in power socket. Prepare one cable clip to secure the power cable. Set the cable clip at the top of the windshield. Secure the cable into the cable clip. Run the cable in the space between the windshield and the headliner. Continue routing the cable along the A-pillar down to the bottom of the passenger's door. Run the cable under the glove compartment. Use cable clips when needed. GPS receiver, optional. Now install the GPS receiver. Take the auxiliary video cable. Plug the cable into the female connector. Set the cable clip at the top of the windshield. Secure the cable into the cable clip. Run the cable in the space between the windshield and the headliner. Continue routing the cable along the A-pillar and B-pillar, all the way to the C-pillar at the back of the vehicle, where you can hide the excess cable. Insert the cable into the rear camera connector. Plug the power cord into your car's power socket. Turn your car's ignition on. The Blackvue automatically starts recording. Installing the PowerMagic battery pack. Find a location within arm's reach from the driver. Remove the adhesive Velcro tape's cover. Install the Velcro tape on the holder and in the car. Fix the battery pack in place. Plug the female power cable into the battery. Plug the male power cable into the battery. Plug the male power cable into the accessory power socket of the vehicle. Plug the dashcam's power cable into the battery pack's power socket. The PowerMagic battery pack starts powering your dashcam. With parking mode switch on, verify that your dashcam is powered. Turn the vehicle's ignition on. The battery pack starts charging.